everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the friends list on your PlayStation profile. So if you go to your profile, other people can see your friends list unless you actually hide this. So here's all my friends under here. I got like 3 friends. Oh, I got an extra follower. So what I can do, I can go up to the top to settings and go to account management right here. And then go to privacy settings. And then go on down under here and wait for this to load. It might take a while. You might have to verify your identity too. But let's go to Friends and Connections. And go to the section where it says Friends on the top. And this says, your profile includes a list of friends you have connected with on the PlayStation Network. Choose who can see your friends list on your profile. So by default, mine is set to anyone. So I might want to go to like friends of friends at least, or friends only. So random people won't be able to see my friends list. So you can completely hide it on your profile. And this is probably good. And then you can go to the friends request too. And you can limit this to friends of friends or something too. Or you can just search for them by their name and you can add them. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.